In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add bookmarks in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. ClickUp allows you to bookmark either a space, you can bookmark a project, or even a single task. To do that, just head over to the ClickUp homepage and then head over to this bookmark. You'll see we have bookmark option here. So if you had not added any bookmark, you'll have an interface that looks like this. From here, go ahead and click on add bookmark, and then you'll see we have an option of all the projects that you have or tasks, and you can choose from any. Alternatively, if you want to bookmark a particular project or task, you can go ahead and search it here by name, and it should be available. Once you have identified it, go ahead and just click on it and then click on add bookmark, and you can see this task has been bookmarked here. I can also add a whole project. For instance, I want to bookmark project 2, so I can do the same and the project will be bookmarked. So each and every time you want to see your bookmark list, just come to this bookmark and click on any of the files or projects and they'll be opened. So that's how you can add bookmarks in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.